Hello, I'd like to welcome you to this video of the Bostitch T5 tacker. I found a lot of people were asking questions on this antique stapler and where to get equipment, and I was so fortunate to find some operating instructions, so here we go. You'll notice down there on the very bottom, if it'll zoom in on for me, there's the model number there. If you pick up the stapler and flip it over on this side, right there tells you what kind of staples to put in it, but I'll show you that here in just a second. Sorry about the blurriness, but it's there on your stapler. Okay, now here's some paperwork I happen to find, some instructions, and if I zoom in, and I'm going to post these as an attachment too, so you can pull them up. But there's your staple sizes, and here's some operating instructions too. And to load the stapler, you basically just take your gun, take this little clip here, push it to the side, trying to do this with one hand's not so easy, and this little thing flips right out of here. It pulls out, and just load your staples right in there, and then go ahead and secure your bracket back in there, twisting it down and rotating it over, locking it back in place. Sorry about that. And there you go.